Alrighty, I have a little tip for taking out these weird looking screws. I'm not sure what kind they are, but they're kind of like a slotted, and you really can't see that. My focus on my camera's kind of screwed up, but the type of screw it is like, it looks like a flathead screwdriver, but it's got a little piece in the middle that separates the two sides of what looks pretty much like a flathead screw. Well, anyway, if you don't have the proper screwdriver to take it out, you can use a Jigsaw Blade. See, it has that little rounded piece taken out of the end of it. So all you have to do is just put it down on there. Oh, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but I have another one that I have in a pair of vice grips, so if I can do this with one hand,